Good morning students, my name is Divanteswara, MSc MEd, Duppurvalasa IIT NEET coaching. So today discuss electromagnetic induction. This topic very important for IIT NEET entrance examination, 1 or 2 bits given. So first of all, introduction electromagnetic induction. So this phenomenon which electric current induced by varying magnetic field, that is called electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. Next, magnet flux. And the flux, that is indicated by. So number of magnetic lines of the force passing normal to the unit area. So number of magnetic lines of the force passing from the normal to the given area, So that is called magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is a scalar quantity. Magnetic flux is a scalar quantity. This is n cap, is a unit vector, normal. This is b bar. This is a theta. So here I is equal to b bar dot a bar. So one given area placed in the uniform magnetic field, such that n cap unit vector normal make a angle with b bar theta. The flux passing through pi is equal to b bar dot a bar. So pi is equal to BA cos theta, dot product BA cos theta. So here number of windings, that is pi is equal to N BA cos theta. N is the number of windings, the B is the magnetic flux, A area, and the theta angle. Pi is a scalar quantity. Pi is a scalar quantity. So pi SI unit Weber, Tesla meter square. CGS unit Maxwell. So 1 Weber equal to 10 power 8 Maxwell. 1 Maxwell equal to 10 power minus 8 Weber. This scalar quantity. So dimension formula ml square t minus 2 a minus 1, 5 dimension. ml square t minus 2 a minus 1, 5 dimension. This scalar quantity. So pi depend on pi changes for n or b or a or theta. In a magnet field non-uniform, that is equal to pi is equal to integration b bar ds bar. So pi also positive, negative, 0. The angle between b bar and a bar. So here, n cap is perpendicular to b bar. So theta equal to 90 degrees. So pi is equal to NBA cos theta. NBA cos theta is equal to 90. So theta 90 pi minimum that is equal to 0. So here unit vector parallel to b bar, so is equal to theta 180 degree, theta 0 degrees. So pi maximum that is equal to NBA cos 0 degrees, that is equal to pi maximum, that is equal to NBA. So theta equal to 180 degrees. Theta make a angle 180. So pi is equal to NBA cos theta. Here theta make a angle 180 degrees. And pi equal to minus NBA. So cos 180 minus NBA. So I changes and B R A R N R theta. I changes B uniform magnetic field and area of the loop, number of windings, and theta deflections. So here next rotation of the coil changes in uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnet field. Rotation of the coil changes in uniform magnetic field. So when coil rotated, an angle theta 1, theta 2, angle theta 1, theta 2. So here theta 1 initial flux change with the coil. Theta 1 equal to NBA cos theta 1. So theta I or theta F final. So final flux change with the coil NBA cos theta 2 after rotation. So delta pi equal to pi F minus pi I. Change in flux that is equal to delta pi equal to magnet flux. Delta pi equal to pi F minus pi I. So here delta pi equal to NBA cos theta 2 minus NBA cos theta 1. So here NBA common. So delta pi equal to NBA common cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Here case 1, case 2, case 3. So here theta 1 equal to 0 degrees, first one, and theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. That is equal to delta pi equal to minus NBA. Second, theta 1 equal to 90 degrees and theta 2 equal to 180 degrees. Theta 2 180, theta 1 90, theta 2 180. That is equal to, so delta pi equal to NBA cos 180 minus cos 90. Cos 90 0. So delta pi equal to minus And this condition also minus MBA. Next, third condition, theta 1 equal to, third one, so theta 1 equal to 0 degrees and theta 2 equal to 180 degrees. And so delta pi equal to NBA cos theta 2 cos 180 minus cos 0 degrees. So here delta pi equal to minus n 2nBA minus 2nBA. Next one, Faraday's laws. So first law. So first law, whenever magnetic flux linked with the coil, EMF, electromagnetic force induced EMF will be generated. So magnetic flux linked with the coil, induced EMF also will be generated. Okay, that is first law. Next, the second law. Second law. So induced EMF will be generated, produced equal to negative sign of rate of change of magnetic flux. So induced EMF generated equal to E equal to minus d pi by dt. So induced EMF is produced is equal to negative sign of rate of change of magnet flux. Pi is the magnetic flux. The rate of change of magnetic flux, negative sign. So E equal to minus d pi by dt. So pi equal to b bar dot a bar. So pi equal to BA cos theta. N number of windings, that is equal to NBA cos theta. So EMF equal to negative sign of rate of change of magnetic flux, that is equal to Faraday's second law. So pi is equal to b bar dot a bar. So pi is equal to BA cos theta. N is the number of topics, that is pi is equal to NBA cos theta. So here E is equal to minus d by dt into NBA cos theta. Here, suppose here B variable, so E is equal to minus NA cos theta equal to dB by dt. Here B variable. This is first one. And second, A is variable. So E equal to minus NB cos theta into dA by dt. Area, A is variable. So E equal to minus N A B d by dt into cos theta. Theta is a variable. Theta is variable. So here theta equal to omega t. Suppose that rotation angular velocity, constant angular velocity, theta equal to omega t. The coil also rotated uniform magnetic field. In constant angular velocity, theta equal to omega t. So E equal to minus NBA d by dt into cos omega t. So cos omega t minus sign. So E equal to NBA omega sin omega t into d by dt into omega t. So E equal to NBA omega into sin omega t. Sin omega t. So here maximum sin omega t equal to 90 degrees. That is equal to E equal to NBA omega. NBA omega. E equal to NBA omega. E change for number of windings, B uniform magnetic field, area, and omega angular velocity. So E is equal to NBA omega equal to 2 pi n. So E is equal to NBA and 2 pi by t. T is the time period, n is the frequency. T is the time period. So E is proportional to 1 by t. So E is proportional to n. E is proportional to n. Frequency. E is proportional to 1 by t. Time period. Okay. Next video, Lenz law and their conditions and different cases. Okay.